So this is how to activate your SSL or issue a new certificate when you're using Infinity Free Hosting. So once you are on the dashboard, you click on manage the domain, click on it, you let it load. Then you navigate to SSL status. As you can see here, it's not found. So let's manage SSL certificates. Click on it. Then you click on add SSL certificates. So let's add the new SSL certificate. So you'll be asked if you want to request a free SSL certificate, generate private key, or upload your certificate. So but I prefer to use a request free SSL certificate. It's very easy and straightforward. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be given options to select provider. Here you can see Let's Encrypt, you can see Google Trust, you can see Zero SSL. So you can choose any of them. So let's choose Let's Encrypt and create order. So once you've created order, you will see a message: the seed name record is set up correctly. Then you request for certificates. So you wait for it to generate it. You dispatching the order. It might take like 2 to 3 minutes. So it's now validating the domain name. It's validating the domain name. Make sure you don't refresh the page. It will automatically refresh itself. So we have an error here. So let's try and choose another one. Let's use Google's own. Seems we're having an issue with that one. Yeah, we're having an issue with it. So let's choose Google Trust. I think it's also what I used last time. So let's request for the certificate. So it's validating the domain name. It's almost done. Yeah, I think this should work. Yes, so it has issued it. So let's click on install certificate automatically. So once you click it, you have to wait for it. So now it has been installed. So let's wait for some minutes. Then we refresh the site. As you can see, the site is still showing the connection is not private. So let's wait for like 20 minutes. Then we'll refresh it again. So let's refresh the page again to see if the SSL has been activated. So yeah, the site is okay, and the SSL has been fully activated.